This is how you can add or update your shipper ID number for UPS and FedEx. By setting this up, it will allow you to choose your collect account upon checkout. So you're first going to want to go to your account. Then you're going to go to the account profile. Now here is your FedEx shipping account number and your UPS shipping account number. If you wanted to update them, you could do so here. And then you would hit save. It'll notify you when it's updated successfully. And then you can go directly to the checkout if you want. And then when you go down to your delivery options, it'll pop up with the box next to it. Use your account, and then it will show that you are not getting charged for freight and that you're using your collect account. You can choose whichever option you want and just select the account. And then when you complete out the order, it'll ship on your collect account.